Do you plan your whole life around your fibroids, your clothes, your trips, your social plans? If yes, you're not alone. Many women think fibroids are just about heavy bleeding, but there is something else that people rarely talk about. I call it the hidden schedule, the schedule that fibroids create, the schedule that controls your life. Maybe you avoid wearing certain colors because you're worried about leaking. Maybe you always need to know where the nearest toilet is. Maybe you carry extra pads everywhere you go. Maybe you've cancelled plans because your period was too heavy. Or perhaps you've sat through meetings, family events, or long journeys feeling anxious about what might happen. For many women, fibroids don't just affect the body, they affect confidence, freedom, relationships, work, travel, and sometimes even happiness. The emotional cost can be huge. Yet many women suffer in silence because nobody sees what they're carrying. They see the smile, but they don't see the planning, the worrying, the fear, the exhaustion. I know this because I lived it myself, and so have many of the women I work with. The good news, you do not have to ignore these symptoms. Your body is speaking to you. And understanding those messages can be the first step towards making positive changes. You deserve to wear the clothes you love. You deserve to make plans without fear. You deserve to enjoy your life without constantly worrying about your next period. And most importantly, you deserve support because fibroids are about more than a scan result. They affect real women living real lives every single day. If this video spoke to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more fibroid education and support. And if you've ever planned your life around your fibroid symptoms, comment "I understand" below. Let's help other women realize they are not alone. And please share this video with someone who needs to hear it today.